The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. Thanks again for watching.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Iowa non-compete law. So the Supreme Court of Iowa has established a three-pronged set of guidelines to use when determining the validity of a non-compete clause and to evaluate cases brought forward by businesses and workers. The three factors are going to be what's necessary for protection of the employer's business, does not restrict on the employee's rights within reason, and it's not prejudicial to the public interest. So if an employer in Iowa stands to lose significant business after an employee leaves due to the potential relationship between an employee and his or her customers, a non-compete covenant may be necessary to protect the business. This scenario occurs when an employee has developed direct relationships with customers, whether in person or over the phone or virtual, leaves the company and then lures the previous business's customers over to the new business. For example, a salesperson who has regular contact with his or her clients and is the primary person on the sales account will have much greater sway over the decision of the client than the business itself. So along with wanting to prevent patients, clients, or customers from being poached by a previous employee, a business also needs to protect its trade secrets, training procedures, and other sensitive information. The employer may ask the employee or independent contractor to sign a non-compete, but the employer cannot overly infringe on the past employee's right to earn a living. Iowa law requires that the agreement be reasonable for both parties. For example, if a dental office in downtown Chicago has a non-compete clause of 20 miles and 20 years, the courts would most likely argue this is unreasonable based on the range and time frame. Ranges are going to depend really on the geographic area of the business. A non-compete should have a smaller range in downtown Davenport versus a non-compete in a more rural part of Iowa. The time frame will usually be the same across most non-competes regardless of location. In Iowa, 1 or 2 years is considered reasonable. The law basically allows for the business to have a chance to be successful after the loss of the employee. Beyond that, if the business has failed to secure clients of the previous employee or generate enough business to make up for the loss of the employee, it is ultimately on the business. The burden of proving reasonableness is going to be on the employer, and what reasonable is depends on comparing the hardship and oppression brought against the employee by the non-compete and the potential benefit of the employer. Iowa adopted the partial enforcement doctrine to deal with clauses that are considered overly restrictive. This doctrine allows the court to enforce the non-compete to a degree that it finds reasonable versus the old days of all or nothing, basically. If an employee is terminated by his or her employer and had a non-compete clause, Iowa courts will typically try to find a middle ground between the employer and the employee. In some cases, the non-compete will be considered null and void if the employee was laid off for reasons other than a breach of contract, misconduct, etc. If you have any questions about Iowa non-compete clauses, don't hesitate to give us a call at 630-324-6666. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again. Hope you enjoyed that presentation of Learn About Law presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please give us a call, 563-503-6910, 563-503-6910. Again, we offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.